हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। मैं हूँ आपकी टीचर मैम एलिफेंटा और आज मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी नंबर्स। तो चलिए बच्चों, शुरू करते हैं क्लास। 1 watermelon, 2 pineapples, 1 and 2. 3. There are 3 pears, 1, 2 and 3. 4. There are 4 bananas, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5. There are 5 kiwis, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total 5 kiwis. 6. There are 6 oranges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 oranges. 7. There are 7 coconuts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Total 7 coconuts. 8. There are 8 apples, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Total 8 apples. 9. There are 9 guavas, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Total 9 guavas. Now comes 10. There are 10 strawberries, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Total 10 strawberries.